A small but very significant event for 9 major tribes in the Baimuru area of Gulf Province. These groups of people have united for one purpose: the right to the land before the Papua LNG gas project comes into operation. Leader Roy Everard Jr. says the customary landowners have followed every legal step to obtain a title, but remain questioned by the Gulf provincial government and others.
Why we are coming out today is to silence the critics who said that we have not followed the process. We have exhausted everything from going through the local land court right up to doing genealogy study where we have identified all the clans in Baimuru district. That was exhaustively done. Our chiefs were taken by helicopter, doing an inspection of the land. Everybody was inspected, interviewed.
The Purari Development Association was established even before any exploration took place on the land. The group was shocked after their title was given by the Lands Department, then challenged by Gulf Governor Chris Iveta on the floor of Parliament.
What are the status of SABLs in Gulf Province? And with particular reference to Purari SABL. Purari is 600,000 hectares and tripla SABL through. Now, one plug group who sat only kisim this la SABL. One plug likely group. This la SABL covering 5 or 6 major tribal groups inside of this land. How na yupla all department, no lands, na minister before, only toko right lo this la SABL igolo this la likely group. We only not take into account one, state leases that are existing, and number 2, consultations one time all one Lik tribes inside lo here where inap kalamapim one pla LLG lo Gulf Province, namely Baimuru LLG.
They are not moved but say the clans are intact.
Determine land ownership under both the Land Act and the Oil and Gas Act and all the other acts. Because we are registered title holders. You can't go past that. That's an instrument issued formally by the state. We never gave the title to ourselves. We only complied. The state, as the facilitator, issued the title, knowing very well that we had complied. If they have any evidence of them that we have obtained it through fraud, I challenge them today to bring it to court.
This land issue is critical as it is on the piece of land that the next PNG LNG project will be hosted. For these resource owners, their land is their life and they want to remain under one legal entity and must be equal partners with the state and developer.
So today we are telling the state very boldly that there will be no gas agreement. If it's the last thing we do, we're going to make sure we file this case and our people, the length and breadth of Baimuru district, this is just the start of it. It's going to happen at home and we're going to unite to ensure the gas agreement is not going to be signed because we know for a fact the state itself does not know how much is in the ground. How can we sign a project that has yet to be fully appraised to know the volume of the gas inside? We are going to sell it for something that we don't even know. On the top of that, all the landowners have yet to be identified. The social mapping has been conducted by Total, and I can say that it's already a disaster. The tribes are already up in arms, and they have come to Purari Development Association as the only way that we can save ourselves.
All 9 tribes presented their affidavits to the Purari Development Association. Jack Lapava Jr., National MTV News.